how to merge shapes in PowerPoint. So if you want to merge shapes in PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PowerPoint application, go with a blank presentation. And once you're here, I'll just simply take some shapes. So go with insert, go with shapes, and add some basic shapes right here. I'll go with the next shape. Now you need to select both the shapes. After selecting, here on the top left, you will have merge shapes. You need to click on merge, and then you can either go with union or combine or fragment or intersect or subtract. Go and select any options that you're comfortable with. First, adjust however you like the shape to be. Like for example, I'll go with this one. After that, press Ctrl and select both the shapes. After selecting, go with merge, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.